Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Kenny, and today we are going to take you to our small garden. Yes, that's right. I am an organic gardener, and I want to demonstrate just how easy it is to utilize and take advantage of a small plow. I've got a small garden, so I've got a small plow, and it is a Mantis, and no, Mantis is not sponsoring this video. I have owned a Mantis for many years, and I'm a traditional, old-fashioned type gardener. However, I am into raised beds as well. In fact, I've been doing them for a couple of years. I've got a few raised beds, and I'm gonna get deeper into raised beds as the years go by. I am going to be raising more vegetables from raised beds. But I want to show you a little tiny thing. It's a little tiny plow. As you can see, I can pick this thing up with one hand. One hand. It weighs about 20 pounds, and even a lot of ladies can use this thing. I'm going to start it up in just a few minutes and give you a little clue. It's not that bad loud. It's got a lot of power. It's a little two-stroke engine, as you can see, and very sharp tines. It's a two-stroke, and it works just like a chainsaw. Now, I'm sure that you've probably seen one of these over the years. A chainsaw cuts real fast through wood. I know that because I've got several chainsaws and I cut a lot of firewood. And this has the same principle as a chainsaw. It works just like one, only it cuts through dirt. It cuts through dirt. And let me show you how easy it is to start. This thing is very simple to start. Just like that. Let's kill that. That's something you probably wouldn't want to do if you're a little bit unstable on your knees like I am here. But I just did it really to show you the ease and how easy it is to operate and to use. And let me stand up. You can pick it up like that and carry it anywhere you want to. You can do it. It is so easy. So let's go to the garden, and I'm going to show you how this thing works. So let's go now. Okay, folks, we are here at the garden, and I want to say it's about 55 degrees, and it's overcast, but the sun's supposed to come out. It's not very windy. The sun's supposed to come out this afternoon. It's going to be about 80 degrees. So this past weekend was brutal. I don't care to tell you, it was brutal. We had about 3 or 4 frosts back to back, and it did a number on my potatoes. And yes, it did a number on my sweet corn. I am going to break this ground with this little plow, and we're going to replant this sweet corn. It literally just burnt it up, the frost did. As well as you can probably see, my potatoes will bounce back. I planted those potatoes back in late March, and they were almost half grown. And yes, that brutal freeze. We had back-to-back frost, but we also had a hard freeze, and that did a number on them. It cut the tops. You can see they're dark, but they will come back out very quickly. And now we're going to start working here with this breaking of ground to replant this sweet corn. Okay, that is just to give you a little example of how this thing works. They call it the Little Giant, and let me tell you, it is for small gardens, and anyone can use it because it is so versatile, and it's lightweight, and it will plow down in the soil if you want it to as much as 10 inches. It's got about a 9 or 10 inch tine span, and it really does a great job. As you can see, it does a great job. So we want to we just wanted really to show you what this thing is like. And it is not a toy. Let me say to you, definitely not a toy. And like I said a while ago, Mantis is not sponsoring this video. But we just wanted to show you how we use the little tiny Mantis. Now, it is great, like I said earlier, for raised beds and for other projects, especially if you have a small garden. I have used over the years many different types of plows, tiller plows, and I always come back to this. I think this is over the years, about the fourth one that I have purchased. This one's about 3 years old, and I am really happy with it. I'm happy with it because of the way it works, and it gives results. And you can plant your stuff, whether it be corn like we're going to replant here, or potatoes, or whatever. You can plant those a whole lot closer together, and you will have more yield by doing that with this tiny plow than to space them way out. If you're an old-timer traditional gardener like myself, you don't have to have it that far. This much or less is really basically okay, and you can get it done. So we appreciate you this afternoon, or this morning rather. We just wanted to give you a little demonstration of what we utilize and what we work with. And so we hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you like it, do subscribe to our channel, and click the little like button below and tell us what you think, and we will certainly appreciate it. So you have a great afternoon, and we will talk to you later.